Everybody, welcome back to DayZ, and I have updated my little Chernarus weapon showcase custom object spawner JSON that you can use for your PC or PlayStation or Xbox community servers. And basically what it is, we're up near Svetlojarsk, I think it is. Let me have a look. Where am I? Let's bring up the map. Yes, Svetlojarsk, there we are. And we're on the dock area here inside the warehouses. And what I've done is I've kind of laid out all these tables. The idea of it being like a weapon bring and buy sale or some sort of weapon showcase. And hopefully I've got all of the guns anyway. And I've recently just added the crossbows in, like you can see here, and I've also added the AURs, or the AUGs, because I don't think they were in before. If you're wondering what the equipment is that isn't to do with guns next to the stuff that's on the table, that it's a clue to where the stuff is normally found when it spawns in around the map. So for example, the crossbows now spawn in at historical areas, so castles, that's why we've got the Great Helm, and hunting areas on Livonia, so that's why we've got the binoculars. The AUG spawns in at military areas, so that's where you've got that helmet. The BK-43 shotgun spawns in at farms, and I think the apple relates to villages and towns, I think, and then you've got like the BK-133 spawns in at police stations. So the idea, you can use it as a learning tool as well. Now if you want this for your community server, it's very easy. All you need to do is look in the description below this video and you'll see a link to my GitHub. Scale Speeder, DayZ, Chernarus, Svetlojarsk, Weapon Showcase, Custom JSON File Console and PC. So when you go over there, you can click on the code button, download the zip, unpack it, and all you're really interested in is the Cherno Weapon Showcase JSON file. But there's some photos. I have also included the .dze file. So this is the DayZ editor mod file, which you can open up in DayZ editor if you've got DayZ on your PC, and you could customize or add more things to this if you wanted to. Now, if GitHub doesn't work or it's not your cup of tea, there's also a link to my mega site. And again, you'll have access to this folder, and the file you're interested in is gunshow.dze, and you probably know this already, but I list all this in the instructions. So if you look at the README, it tells you exactly how to install all this, and it gives you all the codes that you've got to do. But basically, you're going to make sure that your CFG gameplay.json file is active on your server. If you've got Nitrado server for console, it's in the general settings, and then in the CFG gameplay.json, in the object spawner array section, you're going to add a section's custom /Cherno-weapon-showcase.json in quotation marks or inverted commas. And then if you've got more than one custom location, you split them up with commas. If you haven't got any more, you just don't bother with the comma and have the closing square bracket. Save that or upload it, restart your server, and then hopefully you'll have this nice little learning resource for your server for people to come and join. For example, I don't have it on my server all the time, because the problem with it sucks a lot of good stuff out of the loot economy, as you can imagine, because a lot of these are very rare weapons. But my servers are going to be wiped at the end of June, so I'm going to upload this so people can come over, and maybe they haven't had a chance to play with some of the weapons, they haven't managed to find them, that they can grab them and then go and have a little bit of a laugh. So there we go, this is my custom object spawner JSON, sort of a gun show, a car boot for weapons. Oh, and on these tablers over here you've got things like improvised suppressors, you've got the Epoxy Resin to fix crossbows, you've got weapon kits, you've got ghillie wraps for the guns, so your people can play around with those. But there we go. Now if you find this useful, hit the like button. If you want to see more of the same, press the subscribe button. Yeah, hope you enjoy this and find it useful. Thank you very much, and I'll see you again soon.